Welcome to our rice cooker showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison of two popular rice cookers, the Zojirushi NSZ-CC10 and the CUCKOO CR0675FW. We'll explore their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're a rice aficionado or just looking for a reliable kitchen appliance, this video will help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Zojirushi NSZ-CC10 is significantly more expensive at $301, while the CUCKOO CR0675FW offers a more budget-friendly option at just $109. This price difference could be a deciding factor for many consumers, especially those looking for functionality without breaking the bank. In terms of capacity, the CUCKOO CR0675FW has an edge with a 6-cup uncooked capacity, translating to 12 cups of cooked rice. On the other hand, the Zojirushi NSZ-CC10 offers a smaller capacity of 5.5 cups uncooked. This makes the CUCKOO a better choice for larger families or gatherings. The Zojirushi NSZ-CC10 boasts advanced neuro-fuzzy logic technology, offering multiple menu settings and a keep warm function. In contrast, the CUCKOO CR0675FW, while still utilizing fuzzy logic, has fewer advanced features but remains user-friendly with its auto-clean function and various cooking modes. Depending on your cooking needs, one may suit you better than the other. In conclusion, both the Zojirushi NSZ-CC10 and the CUCKOO CR0675FW have their strengths and weaknesses. The Zojirushi is ideal for those who prioritize advanced features and technology, while the CUCKOO offers excellent value for those looking for a reliable and affordable rice cooker. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.